Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning on an Epson Expression Home XP345. Now this is quite simple, can be done from the printer itself using the buttons on the front of the machine. Now we're going to go along, paying attention to the LCD screen on the front until we get to setup. We press OK to go into setup. We need to go along one to maintenance, press OK again, and then we need to find the head cleaning option, which is the second option here. So we're going to press OK to go in. Press start to start cleaning. Now this will take a moment. Now with the cleaning complete, you've got the ability to do a nozzle check directly from the printer. So I'd recommend this as the next step. Just press down and OK, and your printer will print you out a test page, hopefully showing the positive results of your clean. Once this is done, you can continue the cycle of cleaning and nozzle checking until you've noticed an improvement in print quality. But if the issue persists, I'd recommend changing the ink cartridges, and if it carries on, then sadly there may be an issue with the actual printhead of the printer, in which case I'd recommend contacting Epson or a service centre. But that's about all there is to see here. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, take care, bye bye.